Today I am saying about trend one trading system. The name of this trading system is trend following trading system, which is introduced by myself and from my 12 years experience, trading experience, trend following trading system. For this trading system, first of all I need one custom indicator named FX Eagle dashboard, and from this XM Eagle dashboard and click here and setting 7x FX pair or Forex pair, like only Euro related pair, Euro USD, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, Euro JPY, Euro CHF, and Euro GBP. And the left corner, in which point I will set this indicator. I want to set this indicator right upper chart corner. It is my preference. In this area you can set here, you can set here, or you can set here. It's your choice, but I like in this corner of this indicator. After that I will make a large candle. Okay, it's my preference. Now I am saying about money management system. Which money management I need to use for this trading system? For 0.01 lot, standard lot means 1000 unit. For 0.01 lot we need to manage 2000 US dollar. So XM micro account you need 200 US dollar for 0.10 lot size. For another cent account you need for 0.01 lot, your balance need must 20 US dollar only. Must you need to follow this money management system. Without money management system you never be gainer in Forex market. So let's go how to start. Our chart is ready to trade. So what we next to do? Every morning server time 8 o'clock. This is the server time. So we need to log out MT4 platform or MT5 platform only 8 AM. Only this time I will open the MT4 platform. After that I will check Euro JPY pair. When I click Euro JPY chart will be open. When I will click Euro CHF platform will coming. When I am click Euro JPY chart will coming. When I am clicking Euro USD, that time Euro USD chart will come in. So now first I am discussing Euro JPY. First I say that we only trade this 7 pair, and all is euro related pair. That means all is euro related pair, euro related 7 pair. So first I am thinking about euro JPY. Euro JPY, suppose this can, oh, again I say sorry, another important, most important thinking, which platform, which time frame we will use. Only H4. This system is effective only for H4 time frame. My trading strategy is fully dependent on H4 trading strategy. So first we think euro JPY pair. Suppose I am logging just now. Now time is suppose now server time is 8:30. We need to open 8 to 10 server time. Between this time we need to open or log in the MT4 platform. Again 8:00 server time to 10:00. Within this time we need to open the MT4 platform. Okay, suppose this candle is open 0 server time, this candle is open 4 server time, and this candlesticks is open 8:00. Oh no, suppose this candle is 0 server time, this candle is 4 server time, this candle is open 8. So, and this is start 8001. Zero 4 8. Sorry, again I say it is my mistake. This candle now we can say easily this candle is open 0.00, this candle is open 4.00 or 01, and this candle is open 0.01. So it is our running candle. From this running candle we check the what right here, buy only. So from this point our decision is only to make buy stop only. Point buy stop, latest closing, this is latest closing candle, which candle is closed 8.00 server time. This server time, this candle is closed. So here write buy only, we make here buy stop only. So this is highest point, this is the lowest point of this candle. Latest close candle here, above 5 pips we make a buy stop. We make a target next resistance area and make stop loss here SL. Define the 5 pips from the lowest price of this candle SL, and our target will be two types we can make, 2 to 3 falls of stop loss and another and next resistance area is our target. One pair gone, then again we go another candle euro chf. From this euro chf, same process. It is 00 candle, 0 time 00 server time candle start and close 4, and 4 this candle is closing time 8.00. That means not 8.00, 7.59. It is closing time. That means this is current, this is current candlesticks, and it is latest candlestick, latest closing candlesticks. It is high point, it is lowest value. So here we write here only sell, so we write here sell stop, sell stop. So our stop loss here, this candle we make our stop loss, and target, and our target will be next at support area or 2 to 3 folds, 2 to 3 folds of our asset, our stop loss. Next again we go euro JPY, and same way. This is our candle. It is highest value, it is lowest value. So here, right here, clearly write in here sell only. So we make here sell stop. We make here sell stop. Our stop loss in this area, our stop loss, and our TP next resistance, next support or 2 to 3 folds of SL. By this system we make all 7 pair entry. So which we will do for pending order? What we need to do for pending order when this pending order which not triggered, which we need to do this server time after 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours. That means 10 to 12 hours. That means our server time 20 to 18 to 20, our server time 18 to 20. We again come to our MT4 platform and close all pending order or delete all pending order. When we come to platform, we need to come to our platform just 18 to 20 server time. In this time we need to open our MT4 platform and delete all pending order. Again tomorrow morning, server time 8 to 10. Again we check this 7 pair and make buy stop or sell stop according this trend. Again same days, server time 18 to 20, come to our MP4 and delete all pending order and continue our trading smoothly forever. Make profit without any tension. Hopefully these trading systems will change your life. Happy trading. For goodbye for today, and visit our website www fxpipsgainer.com, fxpipsgainer.com. Bye bye.